Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing Minecraft launcher error code 0x803f8001, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this problem, so watch the video till the end. First thing, open your run command by pressing the window plus R button. Now type here wsreset.exe command in the command section. Now press the enter. Doing this will delete the cache and data. Check the error. If it persists, then open your Windows setting. Click on the apps. Now search here Minecraft. Right click on it and uninstall the Minecraft launcher. Next, download and install the Minecraft launcher from the Microsoft Store instead of Minecraft website. After doing this, Minecraft should open and run flawlessly as usual. I hope this video is useful for you and solves your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.